Welcome. Today, we are analyzing the business model of a luxury Santorini boutique hotel in one of the most photographed places on earth. Success isn't just about a nice view, it's about a sophisticated strategy that balances high demand with physical limitation. First, let's look at pricing. This hotel uses value-based pricing. They aren't selling just a room, they are selling the sunset by using dynamic pricing. They can charge over 82,122 pesos a night in July while dropping rates in the shoulder season to maintain occupancy. They are effectively scheme the market by targeting the highest paying travelers first. How do guests find us? We use a multi-channel distribution map, while OTAs like Booking.com provide global visibility, known as the billboard effect. The goal is to drive direct bookings through Instagram and the hotel website to avoid high commission fees. We also partner with luxury networks like Virtusu to reach VIP clients. The location is our greatest asset and our biggest challenge. While the Caldera view is world class, accessibility is difficult. The narrow stairs of OIA make it inaccessible for many. Furthermore, the lack of direct car access means the first impression often involves a long walk, a logistical harder of luxury service. To improve, I propose three things. Number one, digital transparency. Use AR or augmented reality on the website so guests can walk the path to their room before booking. Number two, sustainability. Shift, shift to electric powered porter services to preserve the village's silence. And number three, the second season. Market the island as a deep work sanctuary for digital nomads during the quiet winter months to solve the issue of seasonality. And that's all. Thank you.